Along with having to deal with PTSD, many Vietnam War veterans also faced medical problems due to Agent Orange exposure.
Yeah, I was in the Central Highlands, which is the mountainous middle of the country, and it was heavy, thick vegetation, and so they would use. Yeah, we used to be drown. It was turn everything the color ash, all the green, all the leaves and stuff. We were walking through it. It was like walking through after a fire. It'd be an inch or two of ashes on the ground.
During the war, 40 million liters of Agent Orange, containing 400 kilograms of pure dioxin, were sprayed on trees in southern Vietnam. 3 million people were contaminated, including thousands of American soldiers.
There were studies done with volunteer veterans, both Vietnam vets, Vietnam-era vets, and vets who were older. And they were not supposed to know each other's names, or rather, if they were in Vietnam or not. A plastic surgeon who inserted a stainless steel rod that had an opening at the end into the men's buttocks when they were put to sleep to extract fatty tissue from there. The way I understood it, our fatty tissue in this very prosperous area down here, the butt, it contains all traces of any chemicals and things we've ever been exposed to or consumed, and so on and so forth. And they were also sent out to the 2 laboratories for analysis in their search for the specific dioxin which was used in Vietnam, in Agent Orange, because there are many different kinds of dioxins. Well, the study resulted eventually in, yes, the specific dioxin used in Agent Orange was present in Vietnam vets. And how does Agent Orange play into all of this? It's all part of the whole thing. It's all part of the denial of the human beings. Capitalism is a system that it's not made for people except one group of people. And you know who they are. Those are the people who own at the top. And those are the people who are the wealthy and tell President Obama what to do.
But these people who say that we ought to withdraw from Vietnam are wholly wrong, because if we withdrew from Vietnam, the communists would control Vietnam. Pretty soon Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Malaya would go, and all of Southeast Asia would be under the control of the communists and under the domination of the Chinese. And then India, Burma would be the next target.
America are really fooled, hoodwinked, or misled by our government over and over again into volunteering and supporting all of their wars. And we do the fighting for them. But when we come back, we're not taken care of appropriately.